Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super easy Biscoff cookies using just 3 ingredients. So I'm going to be using some Biscoff and I'm using about 150 grams. Then I'm using 1 medium egg and I'm just going to mix that until it is nice and well combined. Now that that's combined, I'm going to place in 50 grams of plain flour. And I'm going to give that a good mix until everything's nice and well combined and it turns into a nice cookie dough. Now at first it may seem like, you don't have enough flour. It may seem a bit too soft and oily, but yeah, and as you can see my spatula broke, which was annoying, but it still got the job done. Now that that is nice and well combined, this is an optional step, but I am also going to be adding in some white chocolate chips. Now this cookie was probably one of the best cookie I have tasted in a long while. I'm not really a big cookie fan, but this one is something that I'll find myself making very often. It's easy, just 3 ingredients, and doesn't take long to make at all. And if you're a Biscoff lover like me, I can guarantee you would love this. Now that that's well combined, I'm now going to roll it into nice even balls and place it on my baking sheet. Like I said before, it may seem like it's too oily, but don't worry guys, when you see the end results, it is to die for. I've already preheated my oven at 170 degrees. I'm using a fan oven, so do adjust it according to what oven you do have. This made about 5 for me, but I easily could have made about 6 or 7. Here is the final look. These looked and smelled so amazing. They were nice and soft, flavorful, amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want more easy recipes like these ones, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. If you do make these cookies, please make sure you tag me on Instagram, which is Depassions, if you're not following me yet. Thanks guys very much for watching, and bye.